right, let's look at who, 和物 who. All right, who by itself, it can be a part of a bird's name, like a who, 车七克, 车七七, and 可可. So it's just a kind of a bird. All right. So who at the beginning, for example, 珲春. Hunchun is the city, okay, in the Jilin province. Hunchun. All right. Now you can see the relationship between Mandarin and Manchu. Hunchun is identical. Okay. So another example. Men tu hun, me en men. Te wu tu. And Huan. So now you see Hu in the middle and this N. Okay, this long tail is N. Men Tu Huan. All right. So and this is Hu in the middle. Okay, and then Hu in the end. Wu. Okay, and Hu. Okay, it's the same. Okay, so independently and also at the end. Wu hu. Sorry, it's wu hu. Okay, so wu hu is it's like a package. Can be a measure word. Package. Okay.